Dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Capital Classes. Here comes another episode of Current Affairs dated 16, 17 and 18th of January 2021. Please watch the video in full and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now we can move on to the questions. What is the theme of FICCI's annual convention happened on 2020? FICCI means Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. The options are Industrial India, Prosperous India, Inspired India and Futuristic India. The correct answer is Inspired India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered inaugural address at FICCI's 93rd Annual General Meeting happened on December 11 to 14, 2020. And the theme is Inspired India and the current FICCI President is Uday Shankar. Now move on to the second question. India started supporting the development of Chabahar port, which is located in which country? Options are Iran, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan and Yemen. The correct answer is Iran. Chabahar port is located in Iran and it is in the southeastern part of Iran on the Gulf of Oman and is being developed by India. It is essential for India to develop the Chabahar port because it provides a way for India to bypass Pakistan in shipping goods to Afghanistan and other countries via sea route. So please see the map where Chabahar port is located, and it is the way in which we can move goods from Mumbai port to Chabahar port, and it also holds strategic importance as it is just 170 kilometers away from the Gwadar port built in Pakistan, and it is built and supported by China. Question number 3. Which nation's Prime Minister has invited PM Narendra Modi for the G7 summit this year? So the options are France, UK, Germany and Canada. The correct answer is UK. The UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has extended an invitation to Indian Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi to attend the G7 summit this year. This year's G7 summit is scheduled to be held in Cornwall in southwest England from June 11 to 14, 2021. G7 or the Group of Seven is an intergovernmental organization consisting of the countries Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the United Kingdom and the United States. Together with these states, European Union also is a member of G7. So the heads of government of the member states as well as the representatives of the European Union meet the annual G7 summit. And the current country leaders and the EU representatives for G7 summit 2021 are: on behalf of Canada, it is Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. For France, it is President Emmanuel Macron. For Germany, it is Chancellor Angela Merkel. For Italy, it is the Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte. For Japan, it is the Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga, and for United Kingdom it is Boris Johnson Prime Minister. For United States it is Joe Biden, the newly elected president. From European Union, Charles Michel, who is the president of the European Council, and Ursula von der Leyen, president of the European Commission, is attending the G7 summit. Fourth question. Brazil's health regulator has declined emergency use of which COVID-19 vaccine? That is, answer is Sputnik 5. Next question. What is the name of the Indian Coast Guard's offshore patrol vessel which was recently commissioned at the Goa Shipyard Limited? Options are ICGS Sachet, ICGS Sujit, ICGS Sajak, ICGS Sarthak. The correct answer is ICGS Sujit. It was commissioned in December 2020. After Mumbai attack in 2008, Indian Defence Ministry decided to launch integrated Coast Guard systems to patrol all Indian coast. In the first stage, the Goa Shipyard Limited commissioned 6 such ships, namely ICGS Samarth. It is the first one of this kind. That is, ICGS Samarth is the first offshore patrol vessel of Indian Coast Guard. Then it is ICGS Shur, ICGS Sarathi, ICGS Shonak, ICGS Shaurya and ICGS Sujay have already been deployed. In the second stage contains 5 ships, of which 2 have been commissioned so far. that is ICGS Sajid, commissioned in May 2020. And then comes ICGS Sujit, that is commissioned December 2020. So the recently commissioned one is ICGS Sujit. The remaining are ICGS Sajak, ICGS Sarthak and ICGS Saksham. Next question. Which Indian art form was a part of the virtual kick-off ceremony of Biden-Harris inauguration? Options are Madhubani, Varli, Kolam, Kalamkari. The answer is Kolam. Kolam, an Indian art form of geometric patterns used as a sign of welcome mainly in Tamil Nadu state, was part of virtual kick-off ceremony of the inauguration of US President-elect Joe Biden and Vice President-elect Kamala Harris. Next question. What is the name of the bike ambulance launched by DRDO and CRPF? Suraksha, Rakshida, Shakti and Raksha are the options. And the correct answer is Rakshida. The image of the Rakshida bike ambulance is shown here. Eighth question. Indian Army annually celebrates the Army Day on which date to honor the contribution and sacrifices of the Indian soldiers? 15th January, 17th January, 18th January and 20th January. The correct answer is 15th January. On 15th January 1949, Lieutenant General K.M. Kariyappa was appointed as the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army. In memory of this great leader, Indian Army celebrate Army Day on 15th January. Next question. Ice cream samples tested positive for coronavirus in which nation? Brazil, US, China and South Korea. The correct answer is China. In a shocking discovery, coronavirus was recently detected in ice creams in eastern China, leading to the sealing of the concerned company and recall of cartons from the same batch. Next question. Which bank launched FX4U, a tech product for forex remittance through their internet banking? Options are SBI, Indian Bank, Punjab National Bank and Canara Bank. The correct answer is Canara Bank. The headquarters of the Canara Bank is in Bangalore. And recently, following its merger with Syndicate Bank, it is now the fourth largest state-owned bank by assets. 11th question. IBM, the International Business Machines, collaborates with which state to offer online skill development programs for students of that state? Options are Haryana, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Telangana. Correct answer is Telangana. IBM will work with the Telangana Academy for Skills and Knowledge task to offer Open PTech, means Pathways in Technology Early College High Schools. It is an open and free digital education platform designed by IBM, which is focused on emerging technologies and professional development skills. 12th question. Which country successfully launched Angara A5 heavy lift space rocket? Options are Russia, Japan, Britain and France. The correct answer is Russia. Angara A5 rocket launches on its second test flight from the Pleset Cosmodrome in northern Russia on December 13, 2020. Next question. Who released Vision 2035 Public Health Surveillance in India? Niti Aayog, Asian Development Bank, World Health Organization, Finance Ministry of India. The correct answer is Niti Aayog. It's a white paper published by Niti Aayog together with the University of Manitoba in Canada. 14th question. eWire Softech Private Limited under the Kerala Startup Mission launched eWire prepaid card in partnership with which bank? Bank of Baroda, ICICI, Yes Bank, Canara Bank. Correct answer is Yes Bank. 15th question. Which country has the world's largest transnational community according to the International Migration 2020 report? Options are Mexico, China, Russia, India. The answer is India. According to the International Migration 2020 Highlights report released by the United Nations Department of Economics and Social Affairs, 18 million persons from India were living outside of their country of birth. Thus, India becomes the world's largest transnational community. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the contents of the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notifications of my new videos. Thank you all.